But I feel still those ashawo quarters around here. Where are you from here? Odupani. Person direct me see ashawo quarters there around here. I'm just I'm a priest in Cameroon. So
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
I have a program next week. So I was shift a little bit. I have a program next week. So I was asked to bring like 10 ashawo.
Oh my
So that's what someone I just come from Cameroon just this morning. You understand? So I am trying to confirm if I can see any ashawo quarters around here. Which side should I check? Okay.